Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking, a season of popular favorites, featuring dishes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. Stay tuned now. Here is today's host.
Valentine's Day is an occasion for sharing with a loved one. And what better way to do that than by preparing a romantic dinner? Hello and welcome to Creative Cooking. Today we have the perfect meal to share with you on this Valentine's Day: Adam's rib and sauce of Eve. And to show us how it is done is my classmate, Chef Kirk Myers, and he works at Sandals Royal Caribbean. Chef, welcome to Creative Cooking.
It's a pleasure.
I suppose this is one of the many dishes that you serve at Sandals Royal Caribbean on a special occasion as Valentine's Day, eh?
Yes, it is one. We're just using our local products to make an exciting event, an exciting eating experience also. And
we also want to remind our viewers that the lamb you're using is in fact local lamb.
Today we'll be doing ribs of Adam with sauce of Eve, and it's our rack of lamb with cran sorrel sauce with ginger. Commencing, we get our rack of lamb cleaned and prepared, and we have just some salt to taste. There we go. And a bit of black pepper, making sure it's nice. Getting our seasoning all over our food. All right, there we go. All right, then we'll have our grill already heated. We just brush on a bit of olive oil. Then we'll just put our lamb on our grill. There we go. Our potatoes will be the tune potatoes, and we know a tune potatoes has 7 sides, so we're going to do our potatoes now. There we go. Getting all our sides. There we go. All right, we'll just add our potato. There we go. Then on our fire already we have a heated pot, and we're going to do our cran sorrel sauce with ginger. Start by adding some Grace Hello margarine to our pot. So there we go. Nice. Let's pull it aside a bit. Pot is extremely hot. Then we're adding just a bit of flour in the meantime, and we're working with our flour here. And we can't do without our Jamaican ginger. I have around a tablespoon of ginger inside. There we go. So our roux is now properly cooked. We can add our cran sorrel. Ah, a wonderful smell. Let's remember our lamb over here. Really, really nice. Reduce our heat under our sauce. There we go. See? Sauce has a really rich and nice body. This ginger does a wonderful thing for this sauce. We're doing our lamb rack at a medium well. You really don't want to overcook. Really nice. All right, testing my potatoes here. All right, just about ready. All right, removing our lamb. All right. Really, really simple presentation. There we go. And adding our potatoes. If you notice, you can even see the rosemary on our potatoes here. Really wonderful. Then we're adding our sauce. Sauce has a very, very good body, and the ginger has a very, very dominant smell here. There we go. Using a bit of scallion, just make very simple garnish here. Right over our lamb. So there you have it. Ribs of Adam and sauce of Eve with our potatoes.
Looks good. I have no doubt. Tastes just as good. Michael, can you take it over for us, please? The perfect meal, dinner for two. What else could we ask for? Chef, the sheep industry in Jamaica is rapidly expanding. The farmers in Christian and Geisel are happy to know that we are using up their Irish potatoes. So we have combined both foods to make this mouth-watering Valentine's dinner. And I really want to thank you for sharing it with us. It really is very creative. It really is very different. Thank you very much. That sauce with TR and ginger, real Jamaican ginger. What else could we ask for, Chef? Really looks good. Thank you very much, Chef.
Thank you so much for having me.
Today in our mailbox, we have a food and kitchen tip from Grace. And that's our show for today. We hope you'll try this recipe for Valentine's Day. Remember, you can contact us by mail, email, or phone for these and other recipes. We'd love to hear from you. Till next time, thanks for watching.
We hope you enjoyed today's show. It was one in our season of popular favorites, featuring dishes suitable for all the meal times of your day. Be sure to join us again next Monday morning at 7:35 on Smile Jamaica for the next program in this series of creative cooking. Don't miss it.